How is it moving but the socket doesn't move? Man, the backtrack is horrible on this thing. Hold on. Zoom out a little too. You see how giant this ratchet claims to be. Did you get the handle too?
No.
I want them to see how long this ratchet is and how good it claims to be, that it is this tall.
The ratchet literally looks like it's bending.
I may have tightened that. Let's try another one. This bottom one looks like a challenge. I guess unless you have one of these. Oh look, I broke this. Alright. Bad sign. This I think I can access by tilting back. But I want to tighten in a motion that is more even, so I guess I'll do that. Let's see if this ratchet makes this. Tightening 4 bolts on a forklift. It's second use in its whole life.
After it's been warrantied for already breaking.
Yeah, they did make more access. Alright, buddy, don't snap on me. Look at that, it did make more access. Okay. It doesn't have to be like right at the head of the ratchet, it could be like.
That looks like a deadly angle.
Not too bad. Okay, I could probably do the bottom one again. This is crunchy. Thought it was gonna snap, maybe it won't.
You have one more.
Tilt it forward again. Oops.
That's what breaks
See
it.
fall apart into parts. Okay. I like how it kind of sits in place, the swivel head. It's kind of nice. But I would only pick this up for really hard to do shit, so let's see if it can, like, this is the kind of stuff I expect of this thing.
And how far it has to go to get one click
I
on the
know,
thing.
I'm trying to click it. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see if this is its life ending. Stand corrected, this is the best ratchet ever. I'll take this off your hands. See how many more uses I can get out of it. Let's see if we can get in this one again. It's so dirty. Good and tight. loose anymore. I should have showed that I could do that before. Alright, this thing works.